This is Ecoscapes, Prime Acoustics' line of eco-friendly wall and ceiling sound absorption panels. Ecoscapes is an ideal solution for those looking to improve acoustics in public areas such as offices, bars and restaurants, schools, or commercial spaces. Many modern architectural designs feature unfavorable acoustic elements, like multiple large windows and hard floors and ceilings. Ecoscapes help address these issues by providing an effective acoustic solution with a high-quality aesthetic that seamlessly blends into the space. Ecoscapes panels are also a more sustainable option because they are made from PET, an environmentally friendly, fully recyclable material containing recycled plastics such as beverage bottles. PET, or polyethylene terephthalate, is a thermoplastic, free from glues, binders, or any red-listed items. Ecoscapes panels are also odorless, non-allergenic, mildew-resistant, and safe to handle without protective gear. The high-density panels are very durable, meaning they should stand up to years of use without noticeable wear or discoloration while maintaining a high level of acoustic performance. But they're not just a safe and practical option. Ecoscapes panels look great in your space, available in a wide array of color options and finishes to match any room decor. They can also be printed with images or logos that better suits your design. The full Ecoscapes product lineup provides a complete solution for treating your space, including wall panels, ceiling clouds, and slat panels for both walls and ceilings. Use one or combine all to create a more desirable soundscape and be heard. Looking to install Ecoscapes panels in your space? Check out our installation guide playlist at the link in the description below. And be sure to visit our website at primeacoustic.com for more product information, educational resources and data, and access to our suite of room designer and treatment calculator apps. Thanks for watching.